join the activity to win big?
Do what?
Do you want to join the activity to win big?
No.
Go on enter, see if you can win.
No. $5.
Oh. They're moving up and down.
Really?
TV's moving up and down.
Oh, right.
你要打。
Big one, isn't it? Not probably the viewing angles, was it? The viewing angles aren't that great. Oh. What is that one then? Bang it Olufsen. Okay. Integrated soundbar, sub. Audio by Bang & Olufsen. They're big, aren't they?
Yeah.
Could you please take one more step back? I just take a photo for the M.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. I just take a.
Oh, they're going as well.
Picture frame.
See-through OLED.
Oh. Nice size TV.
Cool, isn't it? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow.
That was nice.
Because they're individual LEDs. Not going to be able to see you though.
That is massive.
Micro LED, right? Each pixel.
So would you like a picture of both of you?
No, okay.
Take it from- no?
Okay,
Okay,
thank
sorry.
you.
Each pixel is an LED.
Alright. That is immersive though,
That's
isn't
why
it?
it's so bright.
Yeah.
'Cause it's not like an LCD or an OLED. Well, kind of is like OLED, but it's LED.
Nice turning though.
22 bits. 6.2.2 plus. That's mad.
That's the best TV I've ever seen in my life. It's so colourful and bright, isn't it?
Inorganic self-luminous chips.
I know, I read that.
10,000 nits.
It's just so big and bright, isn't it?
10,000 nits.
I know. I sat here and watched that all day. Right, let's go on to the next one.
Wow. 98
TVs, you got some TVs.
I know, finally. Screw you, LG. Here's an example of the micro LED things behind the screens.
Alright, that's quite bright, mate.
So that,
Alright.
so these little dots,
Oh, Jesus. Yeah,
they're
it shows
behind
you-
the screen.
Yeah,
But then if you stand back, it'll show you how it lightens them and dims them
Yeah,
based on what's shown on the screen. So these
Yeah.
are black, they'll turn off, so give you deeper blacks.
yeah.
And it's showing how much more they've got in the most modern TVs now.
Nice bright, isn't it?
So you've got more zones.
I know where I think you're much bigger.
So you've got the lenses over them as well, I think it says here. Lenses. So you can see how more defined is because there's more backlights on it now
Yeah.
compared to that one. You see how more like pixelated that one is compared to that one.
It's showing you the different types.
Huh. 115 inch.
Then I fit on the back wall.
Potentially. Look how black the blacks are though.
I know. That's popping, isn't it?
Wow.
I bet all these things cost thousands though. So deep and detailed. I mean, look how deep we get over there. They look shit.
I know.
I just can't get how clear and depth.
Yeah, but don't forget though, it's going to be like 4/8K plus it's like probably 120 hertz though. So what's this for here? Don't know what all this about. Well, that looks nice though. Look how thin they are as well in a way. How kind of thin they are. The size in a way. What do we do? Bring the light up now.
was the standard. We were a long way to that, and now we're on to that.
Yeah, but that's what they
Yeah, no, it's tubes.
print. No, that's what they print onto the LCD layer.
Right.
So that is kind of printed on that, and that goes in front of that, kind of.
They look small, don't they?
It seems a bit oversaturated in my eyes, though, isn't it?
I don't know.
Look at the difference between
Yeah, I know.
light bleed, medium light bleed, no light bleed.
Yeah.
Oh, 98 inch.
Hello.
105. That's nuts. Look how curved that one is as well. That is. That is super immersive.
Seat? Want a seat?
No, unless you want to play a game.
You can.
It's to go on the computer.
Oh, right.
It's to go on the computer.
Yeah, oh, right.
What are you going to be doing?
I don't know. Play games.
Yeah.
Yeah, play games.
No.
Right, okay.
So I'm no good at it.
Fair enough.
What's over here? Inkjet printing. Oh, this is an Amigo LED.